Jocelyn, and I'm here with Roxana.
Hi, we're here at the Chevron STEM Zone 2016 Nature Valley First Sea Open.
So tell me, Roxana, what did you learn today?
You always ask me that.
Well, for instance, what did you learn at the thermal imaging exhibit?
I learned that human being giving off a lot of heat when you stand in front of the thermal camera, and it measures in color the infrared energy given off by your muscles and internal organs.
I always knew you were a colorful kid, Roxana.
And I was given a servant
I was giving a senior.
picture to prove it.
Thanks, Chevron, for the STEM Zone is a great way to learn about science, technology, engineering, and math.